Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to schedule a text on iPhone. And I will try to do my best to show you this as quick as possible. Alright, first of all, make sure that you downloaded the Shortcuts app because we need this app to make it happen. So download that app, and once you did that, click on the app. Then you will see this screen and we want to go to automation. Then we click on new automation. And then click on time of the day, and when you can't find time of the day, then search for time of the day and then click on time of the day. Now we want to send a message to someone, and I want to do this on 12/25, and I want to do this on a monthly base. Now today it's September the 29th. Now this date is fine for now, and we need to click on run immediately, otherwise he will send you a confirmation, and this is a little bit difficult. We want immediately that he send messages to the person that we will select, and after this we click on next. Now from here we want to send a message or a text, so now we click on send message, and now we can type in what we want to send. So I want to send to a person, start your day good. Now we select the recipients, where we want to send it to. Now I want to send it to my own, so I click on my own number, then do done. And right now we just created this option or this schedule right here. And now if we do done, we will see if he sent us a message in 1 minute. All right, right now it's 12:25, and now we are going to our messages. Cancel. And right now, if you can see, he sent us a message at 12:25 with start your day good. Alright, that's how it works. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.